Benefit number 1. Brightening. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to even out skin tone by reducing the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and discoloration. It promotes a brighter complexion and a more radiant skin appearance. Benefit number 2. Collagen production. Vitamin C is crucial in collagen synthesis, a protein that maintains skin elasticity and firmness. Regular use of vitamin C serum can help improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Benefit number 3. Protection from UV damage. Vitamin C offers some level of protection against the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet rays. While it's not a replacement for sunscreen, using vitamin C serum alongside sun protection measures can help mitigate sun damage. Benefit number 4. Antioxidant defense. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules contributing to premature aging and skin damage. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin C serum supports overall skin health. Benefit number 5. Wound healing. Vitamin C promotes the skin's natural healing processes. It can aid in repairing damaged skin and improving the appearance of scars, giving the skin a smoother and more even texture. Remember that the effectiveness of vitamin C serum can vary depending on factors such as its concentration and formulation, so we have a recommendation for you. And now the recommendation. Image Skincare, Vital C Hydrating Serum. A potent vitamin C serum with energizing natural orange notes. Apply to cleansed skin in the morning and evening for best results. This serum fights aging signs and gives botanically boosted hydration to nourish the skin. Softens the appearance of wrinkles, supports skin elasticity, and fights environmental damage. Loved by all skin types and skincare professionals, it contains multiple forms of vitamin C to help brighten the skin and fight visible signs of dullness and fatigue.